everyone, my name is Mahaswin. I am from 5A, Delhi Public School, Nagarjuna. Today I will be making an experiment making smoke holes using this bottle. So the materials we need to make this experiment are a plastic bottle, a matchstick, a matchbox, a candle, a balloon, or you can use this plastic cover. So those are the materials to make this. So now we'll get to the steps of how to make the smoke hole. So now we will use a knife to cut this bottle. After we cut this bottle in half, we use this balloon or a plastic cover to if you're using a balloon, you have to cut the balloons right here and take this side and stretch it out and put it on the use this plastic cover. You can use a balloon or a plastic cover to put it in. I recommend a plastic cover as it is much better than a balloon. So we take the plastic cover and put it on the other half of the bottle. After we surround it, we have to use a rubber band or tape. Model of what I told you. See, I put this in. I cut this on the other half. I use this for another thing we can use as we can help here. I will keep it right there. So now we have this model of the thing I just told here. So after this, we take the incense stick and use the candle and put the fire on it. After the flame is there, you take it from the incense stick. After some time, the smoke will come. So you have to blow away the flame and slowly put it inside this bottle. You have to block it and wait until for some time, and the smoke will fill. After the smoke fills up, we can hit it like this and slowly smoke holes will come. So after we got this, we have to carefully insert this inside the bottle. So you have to wait until the smoke fills up inside the bottle. Make sure not to touch the edges of the bottle with this, as it can cause the bottle to flame up or something after some time when we do the smoke. So be careful and do it. After it's fully up, then take it out slowly and keep it right there. So now we have a bottle with smoke inside it. So all we need to do is take it out and give it a gentle tap. Slowly the holes will come. Right there. We can use this as our pen stand. We can decorate it with our creativity. As you can see, the pens, we can keep the pens like here. And whenever we need to write, we can take it out and write in the paper. This lockdown period, during this lockdown period, this is what I have been doing. And I've been doing experiments and doing some types of this.